How to change the motor on your Henry Hoover. In just a few minutes, your Henry is going to be working like new again. No need to take into the tip, and you've saved yourself a whole bunch of money. It's so easy, anyone can do it. And to prove how easy it is, today I'm going to do it blindfolded. No expense spared, it's a rolled up t-shirt. Okay, let's go for this. We're going to start by unclipping Henry's hat and turning him upside down. Now I'm showing you today on a newer model, the one with the light and the power switch. And this needs a T20 torque screw. Well, torque screwdriver, should I say. We're going to undo the outer 4 screws, and then there's 3 screws on the inner as well. Okay, so we're going to start by doing that. Now, if you have an older Henry with a high-low switch or anything, the theory is pretty much the same, but the motors do differ. So I'm going to put on the top of the description a little list of motors and links, and you can then pick the correct motor for the model that you have. Hopefully that helps you all get the correct motor the first time. Don't just buy the first motor you see, because there's different motors for different Henrys. There we go. Okay, so this is the newer one with the LED light, and it's a 620 watt motor. The older Henrys as well take a normal screwdriver, so normal meaning cross-headed. Okay, I think all of those are undone. Right, let's hope so. And we're going to lift off this bottom piece now, and making sure the inside bit stays in where it should. Okay, I'm going to put that to one side. Now take this rubber seal out. This filter here is just like a sound deadening filter. It might be a little bit dusty on yours. You can clean them, but they need to be really bone dry before you put them back in. So yeah, we're not going to bother with that today. There's just 2 connections that pull off on your old motor. Now, don't worry if the new one, I don't even know if this is some of them are white, some of them are black. It doesn't matter, don't worry about that. As long as you've got the right motor for the right model. And then on the motor itself, there's 2 connections, and they just plug in. It doesn't matter which way round you get the wires. Just going to show you on there, hopefully you can see that. Plug in there, and then you get the other one. This is YouTube entertainment at its best, really, isn't it? Right, now the motor just needs to go back in the way that you got it out. By the way, when you're doing this, you don't need to do it blindfolded, so there we go. Put the rubber ring back in. And then you need to put this top back on. Are we okay? There's a little cutout that goes at the back. Okay, cool. Now we just need to do our screws up. Again, I'm just going to speed this up for you. Now, just turn it back over. It's not unproper. Ah, chuff it. I fixed it blindfolded. I can't get this back on blindfolded. There we go. Right, that is how to replace a motor on your Henry Hoover. Thanks very much. Please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel for more other Henry repair videos.